Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation for today. Here we go from Mr. Wayne Dyer. Be miserable or motivate yourself. Whatever has to be done is always your choice. Whatever is in front of you, you always have a choice. Yes, you can bitch and moan about it, or you can motivate yourself and hype it all up for you and get your chance of success even higher. Mindset could well be the most powerful weapon you already have ready to use. You just need to use it to your advantage. It's important to remember that how this all goes down is up to you. So go and make the right motivated choice, starting today.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.